Hi everyone, this is Team Two's Unit 4 Team Video-Based Critical Analysis. I'm Alex Gomez, and I will be sharing my key takeaways from the 2024 EDUCAUSE report, the Teaching and Learning Workforce in Higher Education. The data in this report was taken from a survey of teaching and learning professionals in higher education. Remote and hybrid work are important for many people. About 66% of respondents work remotely, and many prefer to have hybrid options. Workload and burnout are really big issues right now. Staffing shortages and budget cuts are making workloads heavier, impacting mental health and morale. The lack of funds is the main reason for hiring challenges, leading to burnout, especially for those juggling multiple roles. As a result, job mobility is high. Many employees consider leaving their roles due to burnout. Better professional development is also needed as digital skills and AI knowledge becomes more essential in the workplace. Finally, employee well-being should be prioritized. Institutions must address workload balance and provide ongoing support to staff during changes to maintain morale and productivity.
I am Kay Griggs, and I'm going to be reviewing the 2024 EDUCAUSE AI Landscape Study. Um, Highlighted on the PowerPoint are the key points, but this was a summary of experiences related to strategic planning and readiness, policies and procedures, workforce, and the future of AI in higher education. The focus was on impacts AI has had on higher education since the mainstreaming of generative AI tools. AI in general was the focus, although most dump all AI into the generative category. There are appropriate implementations of AI. However, there are also inappropriate uses. Some appropriate uses that the article pointed out was personalized student support, teacher research admin assistance, conducting learning analytics, supporting digital literacy training. Inappropriate uses of AI was using outputs without human oversight, failing to disclose or cite AI as a resource, or failure to properly protect data security and individual privacy.
Hi, I'm Michelle, and this week I'm reading from the 2022 Teaching and Learning Edition, and I'm going to be talking about the implications section, which dealt with higher education in different countries. And tonight I'm focusing on the article of higher education in Mexico. This article states that since the COVID pandemic, the economic, educational, and health institutions have been seriously affected in Mexico. The article also states that higher education faces many challenges, and one of these challenges is a very large digital gap. Mexico is slow to adopt online modalities for a number of reasons, one being insufficient technological infrastructure, and also the thought that online learning is still a lower quality and lower prestige than actual face-to-face learning. The universities in Mexico must work together with the government with the goal of improving the quality of higher education. As this article was published over 2 years ago, I would be interested to see what changes have been made since.
Hi, I'm Brianna Garcia, and I will be looking at the 2023 Educate Horizon Action Plan over generative AI, specifically the Planning for the Road Ahead section. Now, this Planning for the Road Ahead section included the activity of understanding your institution's needs and building your action map. This section was directly connected to the ISTE standards because the report discusses the current uses of generative AI and how those uses can be used as a baseline to create an action plan that pushes institutions forward, which is connected to the ISTE standard for educators for citizens, which is educators inspire students to positively contribute to and responsibly participate in the digital world. It also states that those in charge of creating an action plan must first understand the specific needs of the institution and reflect on their findings to update their plans as needed, which directly connects to the ISTE standard for education learners, the connected learner. For education leaders, which is the connected learner, and that leaders model and promote continuous professional learning for themselves and others. And this was our discussion for Team 2 for the this week's Unit 4. I hope you guys enjoy. Thank you.